that self-determination, don't let Nigerian people. Please, we need to talk to people. Who are them?
See, wallahi talla mun dade muna rikici. Wallahi kuma wannan mulkin ba zai daidai ba gaba ki da. Wani ba da bakin mu. Mu da mun je mun zabe shi mun muna barayi ba amma an ce gwamnati ba biyan mu. Ba biya iyaye ba an ce wa youth are lazy. Kullun da youth are lazy. Sun taba ba mu aiki ba mu yi ba. Sun da mu lebra. Mu zabe su. Su cuce mu. Sun tada su.
ba an ce jiya ba wai mu je makaranta ba mu je makaranta ba
mun gama makaranta
ba aiki
ba ya ce mu zabe shi ba da kwakan madara ya ce zai mana hanyoyi wani bai ba ka yanzu da mun ga ba mu
a garin duniya nan ko an ce adalci ya fi komi zaman lafiya ya fi komi amma Buhari ya ce mun zabe shi za yi canji an ce mu zabe shi mun yi canji kuma ga shi nan mun zabe Buhari kuma ga shi nan yanzu na haka wahala muke sha ga shi nan mun gama makaranta ko aiki ba mu da shi an ce mana mu kawo kuri mu kawo 200,000 mu samu aiki haka zan mu bayar
taka wannan gayan ki taka shi
my brother has said, I adopt it as mine. Yes. I adopt everything. You see, I was just nodding my head. I was saying yes. Yes, and honestly means gas canning. Yes. I adopt your position. He said something. Please, listen. He said something, and it is not a joke. He said Buhari is not as educated as he is. Yes. Many of you may just think, okay, he's very, very correct. Very correct. Very, very, very correct. So, this is just a build-up. You know, like we've been doing build-up, build-day. Nigerians are saying what? Buhari must. No. We make no bones about it. We make no bones about it.
Revolution! Do you see what I'm seeing here? Yes. When we come here this morning, I was looking around, I saw security full everywhere. We have security like this, and there are no people to
What do you want? Revolution! Revolution! Buhari must go! Buhari must go! What do you want? Buhari must go! Buhari must go! What do you want? Buhari must go! What do you want? Buhari must go! What do you want Buhari to go? What do you want Buhari to go?
Oh, you want it to
Let it be content. that Nigeria people. Yes. Let it be quoted. Yes. That Nigeria is the giant of the whole world. Yes. So no incompetent person should rule this country. Let me tell you people something. We are tired of failure. Yes. We are back to the end now.
I can handle Nigeria more than we didn't need him. We didn't need to make him go.
Police officers stop
We didn't thank you. Nigeria must turn. Nigeria must turn.
I want to hear. I want to talk. I want to pour. I want to sorrow. Who do you want to be president? Who do you want for him to lead Nigeria? Who do you want for him to lead Nigeria? Who do you want him to lead Nigeria? Who is fighting for your rights? Who is fighting for your rights? Who is fighting for the betterment of Nigeria? Who is fighting for one Nigeria? Who is fighting for democracy in Nigeria? Who is fighting for good governance in Nigeria? Who is fighting for a better Nigeria? Don't talk now. Who is fighting for this country? Are the greatest Nigeria?
doesn't want to value.
When do you want it? Now! 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 Revolution! Now! Are we going to buy for 200 naira per liter? No! Already! Are you ready to buy petrol 200 naira per liter? No! We shout on the government.
Please, it's not 200, it's 430 naira. Madam, 200 naira, go go filling station for another day.
Are we going to continue with black market?
Hey, they borrow money for budget. This man, Yabutu.